Hello YouTube. Hello everybody. So today I have managed to clean some of the Lego that I have got yesterday. These are the washed ones, ready dry. These are the parts. So I start to arrange some of them too. These are still wet. I've also cleaned the styrofoams and the inner plastics. They look gorgeous now. They look cleaner. Yes, I decided to put some cardboard here. Very sadly that I cannot salvage the box graphics because it was come really bad. So yes, I also have managed to arrange. The tires are now very clean, super clean, like brand new. Because as far as I know, uh, people who buy this set and put it are usually not playing with them. So the parts are actually like new condition, like this guys here. After it's been washed, the dirt has gone. Yeah, some of the old parts. Still see, I think this is the one with pips. Yeah, they are very clean, like super new after being clean. Anyway, I haven't put which is which. Yeah, and I also make an extra box out of it. This is an air conditioned box that I've modified into a Lego temporary box, yeah, so that it will protect the styrofoam. Yeah, these are also already in a clean condition. This is the cleanest as far as I can wash, but the tires and the parts are already very clean. Anyway, that's about the box and the styrofoam. Let us move at the graphics. So this is what I get. I'm going to sun it again for the set 8860. Actually, I already have built this previously. This car is my favorite best. We don't have this during our childhood. It is a very difficult item to find in Indonesia, especially in the village that I stayed during my childhood. So I have removed some of the tapes. Yes, I'm trying to salvage this box, but very sadly it is not all salvageable. As you can see, some of them are still in the tapes. Yes, there are many missing part. I don't know which is which, but anyway, it's torn, and I don't know, am I going to continue with the restoring process or not. But yeah, many of them are not well torn. Actually, I have used the glue remover. This is a glue remover to remove all the parts. Anyway, I think I get about, for the parts, I think I get about 50% of the parts or more probably. It was sold to me as a set, but as I found out, it happens to be like two sets, and the other one is also this. So this is completing my set. This will be set number 853. As you see, I'm not going to bore you with the boring process removing the tapes. Yeah, they are all here. They are all here. I don't know which is which, but it's going to be somewhere here, I think, like this guy here. Yeah, it's a very bad condition when I get it now. I think I make it worse because I'm going to dip this into water and iron it properly. So it might get a new life. Okay, so anyway, these are the 3 legendary Technic sets for the car, and the other one is this one, 8880. Is built by my daughter. So this was built by my daughter, so literally it belongs to her. We get this set also in complete part. As you can see, this is a substitution part that we get. I'm not going to open this at the moment until I finish building my 853, this guy. Yes, so yeah, I use the aircon box to to save the styrofoam here. Anyway, she also have the instruction book for this set, 8860, but it is in this condition. The middle part is torn and it is good. And yeah, I try to make the chair, see what can I do. And I have made part of the chair, which is this part, and this part. Yeah, I think that I can manage to build one part of a chair, but some still missing part too. So anyway, yeah, because I'm not washing these parts with washing machine, because the blue and the grays are very brittle and there are many small parts like that. The pins and even the universal joints are very brittle. They have been broken. Some of them are broken. Yes, and this is also one weird thing that I'm gonna highlight soon. This is a shock absorber, which is actually, I don't know, it is broken definitely. I only get 2 of these. But interestingly, if you will see at the parts here, it is still using this type of joints and the spring with the axle. But what I get is this part here, the suspension or shock absorber, as I say. But very funny, in the instruction it is using the modern shock absorber. This comes with the box, the instruction comes with the box. So yeah, it's literally using the newer shock absorber, definitely. Yeah, this one I got the instruction, but I forget which page. Yeah, so yeah, this is a very different. This guy is this guy, and that guy is not. And also I found in the middle of the book that the shock absorber is also not the same. Yeah, I'm sorry because I don't like to edit my videos. It is time consuming to me. I'm going to open this. Where is it? Yeah, okay, this from this you can view. There you go. From the old photo you can view it is still using the older model of shock absorber, but in this instruction it is using a different model. Okay, so anyway, what I get is broken ones. Well, my next stage will be preserving the box, and yeah, I'm just gonna cover that like so, because, and cover it with sorry, another cardboard like so. because yeah, that's all I got. It is very lucky for my European friends to have a proper box. Yeah, we can't even get some of the parts here, but anyway, that's all for today's video, and I will update you for my three sets, which is the 853, 8660, and I will also open the plastic for my 8880. Thank you everybody for watching. I usually do my stuff on the table, but the table is full, so yeah, that's my tripod I'm not gonna use today. I just continue to build the chair, see if it is possible to find the parts. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, because I don't like to use substitution parts until I finish using all the original parts that were purchased together. Okay, thank you everybody. Happy Lego, happy collecting.